Hello everybody, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single family property in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. As you can see, this property is going to need a full rehab from top to bottom. Just want to give you a general idea as to the kinds of properties that we will buy. So if you have a house that needs work, rest assured, we'll definitely take a look at it for you. If you have a property that doesn't need a whole lot of work, or maybe it's in perfect condition, and you just want to sell it for whatever reason, whatever life event that you're going through, you just need to get out of the home that you're living in or a home that you own, we'll definitely be willing to take a look at it for you. We're willing to make fair offers, close quickly, pay cash, pay closing costs, and we don't charge any real estate commissions. This is the bathroom, or was the bathroom. So if it's something that might interest you, reach out to us. If you know somebody who might be interested in our services, definitely reach out to us. We pay good referral fees. If we close on a property that you refer us to, we will pay $500 to $1,000 to you in cash. If you want info about us, go to www.investparamount.com or just visit our website, or just contact me directly, my cell phone, 330-685-2220.